Energy-efficient Windows. Laurel, Maryland homeowners looking for measurable comfort and lower utility bills can benefit from energy-efficient windows, energy-saving windows, and high-efficiency replacement windows designed to reduce heat loss. Reduction windows performance throughout every season. In Laurel MD, upgrades like home energy efficiency windows, low-E glass windows, and advanced glazing windows help keep conditioned air inside while improving indoor comfort in older and newer homes alike. For property owners seeking Laurel home efficiency upgrades, these solutions support better performance, better appearance, and long-term savings. Residential window replacement. In Laurel, Maryland often starts with choosing the right materials, and vinyl replacement windows remain a popular option for durability, low-maintenance windows performance, and strong thermal efficiency. Vinyl energy-efficient windows. Laurel MD installations can pair with insulated window installation and window insulation services to help improve comfort in every room. When installed by window contractors in Laurel MD, these systems can provide ENERGY STAR certified windows benefits while supporting eco-friendly window solutions and lower energy usage. Energy-efficient windows. Laurel MD services are especially valuable for homeowners dealing with drafts, uneven temperatures, or rising utility costs. Draft-reducing windows, window sealing upgrades, and window sealing services. Laurel, Maryland can make a dramatic difference in draft-prone homes, especially during cold winters and humid summers. From window retrofit services to full thermal window upgrades, the right installation can improve energy savings while enhancing the overall look of the property with custom energy-efficient windows. Homeowners in Prince George's County window replacement projects often compare double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, and argon gas windows for the best balance of performance and cost. Double-pane replacement windows. Laurel provide dependable insulation, while triple-pane windows. Laurel, Maryland can deliver even stronger noise-reducing windows and thermal protection for busy streets and high-traffic neighborhoods. Argon-filled windows. Laurel, Maryland installations add another layer of insulation, making them an excellent choice for weatherproof windows and condensation-resistant windows. For local buyers searching window replacement, Laurel, Maryland are energy-saving windows in Laurel MD. Low-E glass windows are one of the most effective upgrades available. Laurel, Maryland low-E window contractors frequently recommend low-E coatings because they help reduce solar heat gain in summer and heat loss during winter, improving comfort and efficiency year-round. ENERGY STAR windows. Laurel, Maryland options combine low-E performance with insulated frames and advanced glazing windows for a more complete upgrade. Energy-efficient windows. Laurel can improve protection against wind, moisture, and temperature fluctuations in Maryland's changing climate. Homeowners often choose thermal window replacement Laurel MD solutions when they want stronger sealing, better indoor temperature control, and fewer air leaks. Weatherproof windows are especially useful in homes that experience condensation, fading interiors, or frequent drafts, and they work well alongside insulated windows near Laurel MD for a more complete home performance strategy. Noise-reducing windows and soundproof energy-efficient windows. Laurel MD are a smart choice for homes near major roads, commercial areas, or active neighborhoods. Triple-pane systems, double-pane windows, and custom windows. Laurel, Maryland can help soften outside noise while also improving comfort and privacy. When combined with residential window installers Laurel, Maryland who understand local building conditions, these upgrades can create a quieter, more efficient living environment for families and remote workers. Eco-friendly window replacement Laurel MD projects are increasingly popular among homeowners who want sustainable upgrades without sacrificing style or performance. Custom energy-efficient windows and eco-friendly window solutions can be tailored to the size, shape, and design of the home, supporting energy-efficient windows. Laurel MD goals while complementing the property's architecture. Whether the project involves home window upgrades in Laurel MD or a full Maryland energy-efficient window services package, the result is often better comfort and stronger long-term value. Window energy audits. Laurel MD can identify the biggest sources of air loss, helping homeowners decide whether to invest in window retrofit services, insulated window installation, or full residential window replacement. In many cases, the best results come from combining thermal window upgrades with ceiling, insulation, and low-E glass windows to maximize efficiency. These audits are especially helpful for older homes, where energy-saving windows and draft-reducing windows can make a significant difference in monthly bills. Low-maintenance Windows Laurel Maryland are ideal for busy homeowners who want durable performance with minimal upkeep. Options like vinyl replacement windows, triple-pane windows, and argon gas windows offer strong resistance to warping, moisture, and everyday wear while improving home energy efficiency windows performance. For those comparing window replacement Laurel Maryland options, choosing durable, efficient materials can reduce future repair needs and keep the home looking sharp for years. Window contractors in Laurel MD can help homeowners select the best combination of Energy Star certified windows, solar control windows, and condensation-resistant windows for the specific exposure and layout of the property. Solar control windows are especially useful for rooms with strong afternoon sun, while advanced glazing windows and low-E glass windows help manage temperature and brightness. From Maryland energy-efficient window services to Laurel MD energy-efficient window installation, the right contractor can match performance features to the home's exact needs.